Hey YouTube, it's your boy Magnificent. So I made a video earlier about adding an inductive charger to any vehicle. Now I did it for a 14 Silverado. Today, I'm gonna be adding an inductive charger to a 07 Suburban. Now, as I go through this install, very, very easy to do. I'm also at the end gonna compare, maybe down in the comments after this video, the differences, pros, cons with this charger versus the one that I did. So, I went ahead and got the Boost Auto Parts charger. It looks nice, quality is good, and if you look through, I think it's a 3 or 4 coil charger underneath. There we go. Yeah, it's about the same 3 coil that I got initially. That's really all it is. So let's go and get this bad boy installed, and hopefully at the end, enough information for you to decide if this might be worth it for you. All we need today is some kind of panel clip remover, a drill bit with a Phillips head on it, a drill with a normal drill bit. That's it, guys. Let's get started. Step 1, go ahead and remove this top piece, and then remove these 4 Phillips screws, and we're going to drill. Drill right in the middle, the top right there. See that right in the middle there? Let's drill.
And remove these 8 Phillips screws here.
Last but not least. Alright, let's remove this. That's it. It just clips really tight in there, so don't be afraid to not just pull it out. But it comes out like so. Perfect. And we're just gonna keep drilling right there. So let's drill again. Just want to make sure that I can see. So I suggest using a 3/8 drill bit, but it ain't gonna fit exactly. What you're gonna do is just use a 3/8 drill bit, then you're gonna go left, right, make sure it's significantly bigger than the hole so it doesn't get stuck. So like so. Go ahead and stick this through. And you're gonna go to the other side, and perfect. There it is. You're gonna press down. Now you're gonna get those 4 screws. You're gonna screw them in, and that'll be end of phase 1. Suggest highly that you do not use a drill bit. Just use your hand because these plastic pieces crack very easily. Back to the infotainment center. We're just gonna pop her out. So, the infotainment, I pop this. Just use screwdriver, panel clip pliers. Just pop that off there, right? And then just get underneath. It just pops out. Done. Remove this black piece here, and then connect this gray piece in here. Press the tip. Remove. Install it here. And then the black old one is going to go in here. Yep. Perfect. Then this, you can just snake it up here to the other side. All right, so one thing real quick, want to make sure when you go past that wire, you're going through this, not around. You gotta go through here for it to work. So you pass that, and then you put everything back. You're good. Got it snaked. Gonna grab this old piece, considering you're looking at it like this, and you're gonna drill right up here. So that this is gonna go through here. So this is gonna go through here on the other side. Right. So right about there. Just like the first hole, you just want to go a little bit bigger, not bigger than necessary, but just barely for it to get through. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and connect these. I'm gonna wrap this from the front in here. Then connect this to this. So you're gonna pull this down, and the majority of it is just going to go. We're gonna let this kind of be free, so give it some slack, and just push it back in. There we go. Right. Okay. Make sure she fits. Okay. I'm just gonna zip tie a couple of them together, but you do want some slack. What I didn't show when I did my initial video was adding a fuse, but you can get a fuse anywhere. I'll show you when I'm done. All right, so this goes in here. This goes back in here. See the red light there? And then, so you go through, press, press, press. Clips go back in. Looks wonderful. You get this. This back in, make sure it closes, opens just fine. You just put these screws back. It's just, again, you do these by hand, not a drill, because it easily can crack. And voila, you're done. Takes, I would say, 5 minutes. I mean, it really is plug and play. It's no drilling. Although that's not very difficult, but it makes it easy for anyone to do. Pop this in here. Press in. Okay, let's test it. All right, let's test it, see if it works. Pop it on. So the red indicator light shows nothing on there. It works. It works indeed. All right, so as far as feedback, it was easy to do. It looked pretty. That probably is the biggest thing. Didn't add a fuse before. However, you can easily add a fuse anytime you want by grabbing one of these bad boys. So, pull this for a second. Just pop this open. Pop a fuse in there. That you can do, you cut this and you connect the 2 wires. So that I didn't do before, but it's very, very smart to do as far as fuses. I do love how it is automatic. There's a fast charge, slow charge. So it's, it's not bad. However, do you need all the extras? That's a personal decision. I would be just as happy, putting a 3-coil underneath here, popping that down and be good, This was probably what, about $100, $130. You can get, like I said, the 3-coil for about 20. Fuse probably for about 5. So again, your choice. But I will say this: now that I got it, I'm glad I did. It is cool to have to just not have to worry about it. Make sure everything is set and it works. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, like, comment, subscribe. Give me some suggestions for those who've maybe had it before, had it for a long time. Hey, what do you think? $20 fix versus $130? Is it really worth it for you? Let me know. Hey, thanks for watching. Magnificent 12 signing.